Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make your miui phone or your phone with Android skin like miui look like stock Android or Android One. So the first thing you want to do is download an app from the Google Play Store, which is called Launcher. So Launcher 2. So yeah, it's called Launcher 2. You want to install it, and once you've installed it, should appear over here, should appear on your home screen. And with that app, once it's installed, you want to go into settings, you want to go into apps, you want to go into manage apps, you want to press these three dots up here, then default apps, and then press on launcher, and then you want to change it from system launcher to launcher, and yeah, it should look like this. So the second thing that you might want to do is, as you can see, I've got this, my apps, they look circular, and yours probably won't look like that once you've installed it. So you want to hold down your finger on anywhere in the home screen. You want to go on, I think it's home settings, then let me see, I think you have to go on themes, and then change icon shape from, I think it's originally on square, so you want to change it to circle, and then they should look like this. So once you've done that, as you can see on mine, there's this little bar at the side. This is called Google Feed. So what you want to do now is you want to long press again on the home screen. You want to go on home settings, and then you want to go on plugins here, and once you're on plugins, you want to go on show Google app feed, and if you turn it on, it takes you to download an APK. So you want to download that APK, and then you should have this, so this launcher feed thingy, which looks pretty cool, and it just has like news articles and a Google search bar and stuff like that. But yeah, so once you've got that, the next app is called Volume Styles. So it's this app, Volume Styles, customize your volume panel slider. And once you've installed it, you want to get this one called Android, and that's what it'll look like on stock Android. That's what the volume sliders look like on stock Android. So yeah, once you've got that, you want to go onto Pixel Pi icon pack, and once you've installed that, you want to go onto the app and wait for it to load, and then you want to go and apply, and then once you've applied the Pixel Pi icon pack, your app icons should look like this. So they basically make the icons look like what they would look like if it was on stock Android. So yeah, once you've got that, the next app that you want to download is Lock Screen for Modern Styles, and yeah, it's the first one that should come up when you search that. And if you install it, it will make your lock screen look like this, and this is what the stock Android lock screen looks like. So once you've installed that, the next app is called Power Shade. So basically, when you swipe down, it looks like that. But if you want it to look like what it looks like on Android, and it looks like this on stock Android, you just need to install this app. So hit install on that. Once you've applied that, the last app is called Navigation Gestures. This is a good app. So basically, make your rather than having three dots in the bottom or it looking like this, it will look like that, which is what it looks like on stock Android. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.